Hi, it's Vias Taro. Hello, Cancerians. Okay, so love reading mid-month of September. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay, and kung may tanong po pagdating sa private or personal reading, message lang po no sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? Yan. So, let's start. Cancer. Okay. Okay. Cancer, ano bang meron? Okay. Nourish. Okay. Self-growth, self-focused, soul-finding. Oh. This is nice. No? Para siyang healing. Yeah. Starting new, starting fresh. Yeah. Okay. What more? What more? Bakit what more? Okay. Okay. Ano pa nga? Cancer. Family. So here's fertility, parenthood, and pregnancy. Oh, meron ba ditong nanonood na preggy or magiging father na yeah. Diba? Talagang kinikisi-kisi pa niya yung tummy nung girl. Diba? Broken. Oh! Why? Ano to? Ayokong pangunahan yung aking nasa isipan. Pero, yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano bang meron when it comes to tarot. Oo, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron pagdating sa tarot. Okay, hang on. Hindi ko pala nabubuksan. Okay. So, there. So, here's nourish and family. At sa bottom ng ating deck kanina ay bakit ganito tong aking tarot? Okay. There. Ang nasa ilalim ay broken. Okay. Something. Parang mayroong gustong i-fix or finifix. Sinisimulan ulit. Nakakaano ko ng santol. Nakakaamoy ako ng santol. Parang akong kumakain ng santol. I don't know why. Some of you, pwedeng santol ang lalo na kung preggy bells ka, no? Santol. Yeah, I don't know. May naamoy ako. Meron akong, yeah, nalalasahan na ganun. Biglang, yeah. Okay. Biglang pumasok din sa isip ko yung santol. Okay. Ano bang meron sa person mo? So, who's the person on your mind? Who is the person on your mind, Cancer? Ano bang meron sa kaniya? The Queen of Wands. Some of them pwedeng attractive, mapababae, mapalalaki. No? Queen of Wands and the Sun in reverse. Ooh. Why the Sun in reverse? Some of you, itong taong ito, even though nakapag-provide ng something sa'yo, hindi pa rin, like, okay. Bakit the Sun in reverse? Tingnan natin. There's sadness. no? May sadness. The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Cancer, pwedeng itong taong to gustong gusto mo. Okay, itong taong to na nakikita ko, gustong gusto mo, pero nilet go mo. Yeah. Meron tayong pair here. The King and the Queen of Wands. Nilet go. Okay, may naglet go. Or pwedeng nilet go kanitong taong to. Anong emosyon niya? Binitawan ka, oh. The Four of Pentacles. Kung hindi kayo nagkikita nito, merong malungkot. I don't know who. Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng siya. Okay, yeah, situation lang kasi yun. Ano emosyon niya? Pagdating sa'yo, Cancer. Anong emosyon ng taong ito? The Eight of Wands. So ngayon, hindi sila nakikipag-usap. Some of you may blockages, no? Pwedeng binlock ka, pwedeng binlock mo itong taong to. Sa messages, yan, mga ganun. In general, there is blockage, no? There's delay pagdating rin sa taong to. And the Six of Chalices. They're bitter. Pwedeng fire, pwedeng water. Pwedeng ikaw to. Pwedeng nabibitter ka sa kanila. Pwedeng, yeah. Pwede kasing may natigil, may nag-pause, no? Kaya nandyan yung bitterness, sadness. Yeah. Para ma-pursue yung gusto. Maybe gusto nitong taong to. Some of them hindi sila okay, like meron silang bitterness na nararamdaman pagdating sa'yo. Okay? I don't know why. Okay, anong emotion mo for them, Cancer? The Nine of Pentacles. What? Gusto mo pa rin ng commitment. Some of you, nararamdaman mo pa rin yung commitments. Kahit wala na. The Nine of Pentacles, this is to commit. To commit. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Okay? That is an energy na gustong mag-commit. Iba po yun kapag naka-upright na. Pag hindi na siya nakabaliktad, iba na rin yun. Kaso nakabaliktad to. Some of you still wants to commit. Why the Nine of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Four of Wands. Gusto mo pa rin, actually, Cancer. Yeah, some of you, gusto mo pa rin ng reconciliation. Ano bang dahilan? Three of Cups. Third party. You want stability with this person. Yeah. Ano bang dahilan? The Five of Wands. A lot of drama, conflict, problems. No? Kaya binitawan, kaya in-stop. Nagkaroon ng pause. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Oh, someone is too immature. Someone is a player din. Okay, someone is a player. Hindi makontrol. Ang daming, like, kung makikita natin, no, kanina nakita natin si Queen and si King of Wands. Pero may lumabas, oh, the Knight of Wands in reverse. This is like issue na hindi ma-fix. Nandito si Five of Wands, si Knight of Wands in reverse. Hindi ma-fix, hindi ma-focus, or hindi mabigyang priority yung dapat i-fix sa sitwasyon na to. Parang hinayaan na lang. Okay? Pwedeng isa sa inyo ang dapat maging responsible, pero hindi ginagawa. Yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit rin nagkaroon ng Separation. Yes, may separation dito because of this and this. The 8 of Wands in reverse and the 6 of Chalices in reverse. Yeah. Some of you still have feelings for this person. Yeah. I don't know kung sino yung nag-drop dito. Okay, I don't know. So, anong next action if ever? Anong next action if ever? The Lovers in reverse. Why the Lovers in reverse? Yeah, the 3 of Swords. So, meron ditong third party involved. Yes, the Judgment. Gusto pa rin i-repeat na kung sino. Pwedeng ikaw. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw. This is water sign. So, nakita natin sa ilalim kanina yung broken. Okay, maybe ikaw yung nakakaramdam nito. Some of you, this is like sacrifice para hindi masira yung family nung isa. Meron ditong nag-sacrifice even though itong nararamdaman ng taong ito is they're bitter. Pwede kasing ikaw yung gusto niya pero hindi mo siya pinaglaban. Okay? Hindi mo siya pinaglaban. So, anong outcome? The Page of Swords. So, there's talking. Some of you, kung wala kang makuhang communication from this person, or pareho kayo, meron ditong like, stalking. Okay? Watching. Yan. Yeah, the 4 of Chalices in reverse. And the 3 of Pentacles. Okay, yung iba rito nakakuha ko ng closure. Okay, closure. The 3 of Pentacles, this is like, wala naman kasing mangyayari dito. Kaya ganyan. Okay, the Hierophant in reverse. Okay. Some of you magkakaroon ng pag-uusap and then after nun, wala na ulit. Usap, alis. Usap, alis. This is some of you, this is a repeat cycle. Some of you, this is a karmic. Okay? Karmic relation. Karmic connection. Okay? So, anong advice? Anong advice for Cancerians? So, nandito si Nourish. Self-growth, self-focus, soul-finding. Okay? Yeah, kasi someone is already like in a family or meron ng committed relationship, no? Yeah, I don't know kung saan kayo mag-fit, doon nyo ilagay yung sarili nyo. Kung hindi makarelate, wag. Okay? Wag nyo pipilitin. So, anong advice for Cancerians? The 4 of Swords. Forget. Okay? Forget everything. Wag ka na mag-focus dito. The world in reverse. Okay? This is unfinished business. Okay, you still have unfinished business with this past person. And yeah, the 9 of Wands in reverse. Mapapagod na lang din. So much better na mag-focus ka na lang sa mga mas mahalaga, okay, importanteng bagay sa kung anong meron ngayon. Okay, and matutong makontento sa kung anong meron. Okay, so there. Yun lang ang ating reading for you, Cancerian. So, yeah, thank you. Bye!